Febi.bilstein recommends that any diagnosis and maintenance is carried out by a fully trained vehicle technician.
In order to gain access to the camshaft sensor, the air filter box must first be removed. Disconnect the air intake hose, loosen the air filter box from its fittings, and disconnect the hoses for the crankcase ventilation system. Disconnect the electrical connection from the camshaft sensor. Undo the 5mm Allen head bolt to remove the camshaft sensor. Compare the new replacement part with the removed component. The camshaft sensor is supplied with the appropriate sealing ring. Installation is the reverse order. Insert the camshaft sensor into the sensor port and using the 5mm Allen head bolt, tighten to the manufacturer's prescribed torque setting. Plug the electrical connector back onto the camshaft sensor and check that it is correctly seated. The ball sockets that become detached while removing the air filter box must be disconnected from the retaining pins and fastened to the air filter box before it is fitted. Attach the air filter box, secure the hoses for the crankcase ventilation system and replace the intake hose. Finally, delete any existing fault codes from the event memory.